the core belief, the basic is all the same. So we believe in Allah, we believe in angels. Because once you accept Islam, you need to believe that there's angels who have different duties from God, from Allah. We believe in prophets and books. So from Adam all the way to Prophet Muhammad. For Adam, Noah, Jesus, Moses, all these prophets. There's 25 mentioned in the Quran, but there's been thousands of prophets. We as Muslims, we believe they are all sent by Allah. But now we follow the Prophet Muhammad, the final Prophet. And all the books, so the Bible, the Torah, the Zabur, the Injil, all the other scriptures given to other prophets, we believe they are all revealed by Allah. They are divine books. But now we follow the Quran. Okay? So these are parts of our belief. And then also Qadar, so predestination. We as Muslims believe in destiny, that things are destined to happen to us. Now there's two types, there's nothing to get confused about. There's two types of taqdeer. One is in which we have power. As humans, we can all feel this. If I want to pick my phone up, or I want to put it down, I have that option. I have the power to do that. If I want to stand up or sit down, walk or run or whatever, I feel that power. Everyone feels this power. But which option we're going to take, already Allah knows. So this type of taqdeer is actually the knowledge of Allah. Because that's how He is, that's how Allah is. He is Alim, He knows everything, He sees everything. He was there from the beginning, He'll be there till the end. That's how His attributes are. So, but that doesn't go against us doing something, because some people get confused. If Allah knows already, then why would I, on the day of judgment, why will I get questioned? It's because you, the other one who did it. Allah knew what you're going to do. He's your creator. He's created us. He knows how we do things, what we would do. And then there's another type of taqdeer, for example, death, which is fixed for us as Muslims. We believe death and other major events, incidents that will happen to us, in our life. We cannot change that. And that's why when something happens as Muslims, we say, Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakeel. We have patience, we have sabr. We say, we try our best, but if something happens and we leave it to Allah, it's okay. This is how Allah wanted it to happen. Okay, so that's part of our faith, our belief. Yeah? And a big part of our faith is in the unseen. As I said, angels and Allah and Jannah, paradise and hell. We haven't seen this. A lot of our faith is in the unseen. Life after death. After we die, we will go to the grave, we will get asked questions. So there's life after death as well, we believe. And the day of judgment. Allah will be the judge. He will judge between His people, who was good, who was bad. The people who were good, they will be rewarded with Jannah, paradise. Bad, they will be sent to hellfire. Okay, so these are our basic beliefs. You believe in these things? Yes. Okay. And then the 5 pillars of Islam, basic. After shahada, praying 5 times a day. We need to, as Muslims, pray 5 times a day. Of course, when you accept Islam, then you need to start slowly, start learning whatever you pray that, and then you start learning more and try to pray properly and slowly. You don't need to do everything on the same day. You slowly take this. But salah is the most important, and 5 times a day we should be praying. Okay. Third thing is fasting, Ramadan. You fasting? Have you tried? Okay, next year when it comes, you need to, inshallah, do it. So through the whole 1 month of Ramadan, you need to fast the whole month. And then the next 2, they are financial. So if a person has money or other assets, it could be gold, silver. If a person has saved up after 1 year, then he needs to give 2.5% in zakat, charity, to poor people. Okay? And there's other rules to it. When it applies to you, then you can research or ask, and then you can discuss that. And hajj. Soon, after a few weeks, it will be hajj time. Pilgrimage to Makkah, Saudi Arabia. That's once in a life, and that is also if we can afford it, because it's very expensive to go from England to go for hajj. Maybe £8,000, £10,000. So it's very expensive. If you don't have that much money, then you don't have to go. Okay? So these are the practical which you will need to try and do, inshallah. Yeah? Ready? Musta'id? Inshallah.